We go to Google and type in CoinDeal. We click the link that will redirect us to the site. We see the main site. We go to the upper corner and click Create Account. It will redirect us to another page. It's time to create our CoinDeal account. First off, we write down our email address. Now it's time for our password. We have to remember that it needs to be quite strong and hard to guess. We confirm our new password by typing it again in the text field below. On our way, we have to accept a couple of required documents. These are rules and regulations and marketing approvals. Another step is to choose our country. It's one of the final steps. With the help of reCAPTCHA system, we confirm that we are not a bot of any kind. Now we simply click Create Account button. Our account is in the system, however, we still need to activate it. Let's check our email. Right, after the registration process, we should receive an email from CoinDeal. Let's read the message. There we will find an activation link. Click on it. This way our account is confirmed and ready to be used. That's the whole process of registration. Wasn't that hard, right? It's time to log in. We type in our email. We also type in the password. At the end, we confirm that we are not a bot of any kind. Here's where the full verification process starts. We type in our name and surname. Our phone number is also very important here, so we make sure that it's correct. Type of account. In our case, it's going to be a private account. For the previously typed phone number, we will receive an activation code through SMS. We immediately type it in a specific box. Afterward, we can secure our account thanks to Google Authenticator. In order to do that, we have to type in a confirmational code. We can get it by rewriting a sequence of signs or scanning a QR code with an app. Now we will have to give another portion of data. We type in some basic information. Our street, house number, city, state or postal code. We also choose the country and language. We type in our birth date. We also state the numbers on our identity document, its date of issue, and date of expiration. At the end, we agree for data verification and we confirm that these numbers or addresses are correct. Time to move on. An announcement will appear. It will inform us about the change of CoinDeal's jurisdiction. In this case, it's a Maltese jurisdiction. This is a standard procedure and an integral part of the verification process. We accept this announcement and move on. Now we're interested in the upper right tab. In its expansion, we will find a profile option. Let's go there. It's time for the final part of verification. In order to start it, we click the Verify Your ID button. It's a necessary and immensely important part. As we know, cryptocurrency exchange markets value their own safety and security of their clients. That's why we have to prove that our identity document is real. It could be a passport, ID card, or driver's license. Let's say that it's an ID card. In order to verify the document, we must make scans of it, then upload those files onto CoinDeal's server. We have to remember about scanning both sides of the document. It's also necessary to send in an additional photo of us, with our face fully visible holding the document. We admit it's a complex process, however, its existence is necessary for ensuring the safety of the whole CoinDeal community, including you. The exchange will verify the information. This is the whole verification process. It will make our account fully functional and officially approved. For more video tutorials, go to the official page of FTO Academy. See you!